Yeah, children, today let us start think, discuss and write on page number 127 on the topic triangle and its properties. The question is the sum of any two angles of a triangle always greater than the third angle? Okay. Let us draw a triangle. Let it be A, B and C. Let this angle be 60 degree, this angle be 50 degree and let this angle be 70 degree. Okay. So let us take the sum of two angles, any two angles you choose. Let us choose these two, angle B and angle C. So let us write first angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 50 degree. Okay, I have chosen these two angles. So sum of angle B and angle C, this is what? 60 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. And what is angle A? Angle A is 70 degree. So what do you observe? That sum of these two angles is greater than this angle. So what do we conclude here? Angle B plus angle C is greater than angle A. Okay, this is our case 1. Right. Now let us take another case 2. Okay, let us draw one more triangle. We make it like this. Suppose this angle is 120 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. Let us name it P, Q and R. So we have angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 120 degree and angle R is equal to 30 degree. Now let us choose any two angles. Let us take these two, that is angle Q and angle R. So sum of angle Q and angle R, this is angle Q and angle R is 120 degree plus 30 degree, this is equal to 150 degree. Here angle P is what? 30 degree. Now you see here 150 degree is more than 30 degree, means you are getting that angle Q plus angle R is greater than angle P. Okay, this is the first part of it. Let us take the second part in this. Now let us assume angle R and angle P. Let us find their sum and then see. Now angle R plus angle P is equal to what? 30 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. And angle Q is what? 120 degree. Now you see sum of two angles, is it more than the third angle? No, it is less. So here angle R plus angle P is not greater than angle Q. So what do we conclude finally? कि sum of two angles greater than third angle हो भी सकता है इस वाले केस में. इसमें आप तीनों केसेस कंसिडर करोगे तो sum of two angles will be always greater than the third angle. मगर इस वाले केस में it is not possible always. So we conclude that sum of any two angles of a triangle is not always greater than the third angle. Sum of any two angles of a triangle is not always greater than the third angle. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will start with the verification of Pythagoras property. This Pythagoras property is applicable only in case of right angled triangle. So I am drawing here a right angled triangle. In this angle is a right angle. Now this side of the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. The short form is H. This side of the right triangle is called the base. Short form is B. This side of the right triangle is called perpendicular. The short form is P. And according to the Pythagoras property, it states that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay, so how do we write it in the statement form? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of किस का sum? Perpendicular का और base का is equal to the sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. So this statement we are going to verify using paper cutting method. Now see here. This is a right angled triangle. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. Now what do? We make squares on each of the sides. मतलब जैसे कि ये साइड 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो यहाँ हम 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक स्क्वायर बनाएंगे. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी स्क्वायर्स बनाए हुए हैं. ये आ गया इधर. ठीक है. Now in right angle triangle this was the base, that is B. So if this side is B, so this side is also B, this side is also B, and this side is also B because it is a square. So area of this square becomes B square, right? Now we place one square here. Okay, this side was what? P, that is perpendicular. So if this is P, so this is also P, this is also P, and this is also P, and when you take the area it becomes P square. Now place the third square here on the hypotenuse. All right. So this hypotenuse was H. So this side is also H, this is also H, this is also H because it is a square. So area of this square is H square. Okay. Now what we have to show that H square is equal to P square plus B square. What actually means कि ये जो H square है इसमें ये दोनों fit होने चाहिए. ठीक है. So actually we had to take the cutouts separately. I am not taking out here, I have already made the cutouts. So I am pasting this yellow square here, right? Now I have to adjust this P square. So I have this here. What I do, I cut them diagonally. मैंने ऐसे काट दिया यहाँ से और इसको भी यहाँ से वापस आधा काट दिया. Okay, now I place them at the corners here. Here, the second triangle. Here. Now the third triangle here and the fourth triangle. I place it here. Okay, so what does it mean? That I have placed my p square here. Now this blue, that is b square, see here, it fits in this, almost fits. Okay, so see here, this was p square and this was b square, and I have arranged this in this yellow. Now yellow is not visible, so what do we see here? H square is equal to p square plus b square. So this is the verification of Pythagoras property. With this, I close my session. From next class, we shall start with the exercise based on Pythagoras property.